Well, here we are, babe. We just gone about to die, and I just wanted to tell you how stupid you were for refusing to make love just before we landed here on this planet. I offered you the immense wonders of using that there Viagra, but you refused. And now, look at us. We ain't gonna get blown up by that approaching Death Star beam. But babe, it ain't over till the fat lady sings. So here we go. Let's just do something simple, like some four-handed booty slapping. You know, they used to call me fast-handed Cassian back in elementary school. However, I spent 14 years in elementary school, and I didn't get that title till my 14th year in there. So take that as you may. But nevertheless, maybe the last thing you want to see in death is my booty, babe. Oh, that's what they all said. They all wanted to see my booty before they died. That's how I put myself through college. You see what I'm saying? Showing my booty to them old cougar women.